Dear students, in the last class we have learned about how to interpolate one missing value in binomial expansion method. Today I am giving you some information about how to solve or how to interpolate two missing values in binomial expansion method. One example problem, that is estimate the production for the year 2001 and 5 for the following data by binomial expansion method. So the datas are year and the production. So year they have given 1995, 97, 99, 2001, 3 and 5, and in the production they have given in the year 1995, that is 20, 97, 40, 99, 70, and 2001 question mark, 2003 130, and 2005 also question marks. We have two missing values. We have to interpolate the production for the year 2001 and also for the year 2005. So when we have to solve that, so we have to take first primarily we have to solve for the 2001, that is we have to find out the production for the year 2001 first, and then we will move to the production for the year 2005. So I will give you so you have to put the equation. I have given that in the last class itself. So you just in the same way you have to put the equation, that is y minus 1 to the power of 4, because we have taken that production as y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. So we have to calculate y3 first. So and we will take the data up to y4. For that reason, in the equation y minus 1 to the power of 4, that is equal to delta naught to the power of 4, that is equal to. So you have well known about the coefficients of Pascal's triangles, that when n is equal to 4, when n is equal to 4, the Pascal's coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4 and 1. So just you put y4 minus y3, the first one is the positive and next is the negative, plus y2 minus y1 plus y0 is equal to 0, and you put the coefficients 1, 4, 6, 4 and 1. So substitute all the values we have that to the equation, that is equal to 1, y4 is 130 minus 4 y3. So we don't know y3, you just put y3 as it is, plus 6 into y2, y2 is 70, plus 4 into y1, that is 40, plus 1 into y0 is 20, is equal to 0, and multiply that thing. 1 into 130, that is 130 minus 4y3 plus 6 into 70, that is 420, plus 4 into 40, that is 160, plus 1 into 20, that is 20, is equal to 0. So you just add all the positive values and all the negative values. So this one is negative, isn't it? Yes. So you just add all the positive values and all the negative values separately, that is minus 4y3 plus positive values that they are 130, 420 and 20, that is 570 minus negative value is 160, that is equal to 0. So minus 4y3, so positive, that is 570 minus 161, one is negative and another one is positive, you just subtract that one, that is minus positive values are more, that is 410 is equal to 0. You just take the 4/3 this side, that is minus 4/3, that will become plus 4/3 is equal to 410. y3 is equal to 410 divided by 4. So when we divide that thing, that is 102.5. y3 is equal to 102.5. The production for the year, that is 2001, is 102.5. So then we will move to the production for the year 2005, that is y minus 1 to the power of 5, that is equal to delta naught to the power of 5, that is equal to, you are just take the values, that is Pascal-Strangel's coefficients when n is equal to 5, they are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5 and 1, isn't it? So you just frame the equation, that is y5 minus y4 plus y3 minus y2 plus y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. You put the coefficients, that is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5 and 1. Substitute all the values to the equation, that is 1 into y5, we don't know the value of y5, that is minus 5 into y4, that is 130 plus 10 into y3 we have already calculated, that is 102.5, that is 102.5 minus 10 into 70 plus 5 into 40 minus 1 into 20, that is equal to 0. Multiply all these, y5 minus 5 into 130, that is 650 plus 10 into 102.5, 1020 minus 10 into 70, 700 plus 5 into 40, that is 200 minus 20 into 1, that is 20 is equal to 0. So next y5, you just add all the positive and all the negative values separately, that is negative values are minus 650, minus 700 and minus 20, that is 1370 plus positive values are 1020 and 200, 1225, that is equal to 0. That is 1225, this one is. Wi-Fi minus one number is negative and another one is positive. You just subtract that one, we will get minus 145 is equal to 0. Wi-Fi is equal to, when we take this side, that is minus 145, that will become plus 145. So Wi-Fi is equal to 145, and production for the year, that is 2005, is 145. So you just write that in the below, that is production for the year 2001 is 102.5 and 2005 is 145.